Cześć, to Agata
i Mateusz. We send you greetings from the Copernicus Science Center in Warsaw. We have this great opportunity to visit Hisza Eksperymentów during the Znastival 2 years ago.
This event has a special place in our heart.
It was wonderful time to meet all Hisza and Znastival team and of course your amazing, unique audience.
We met many open-minded people with great knowledge and passion.
We could share our experience, present great science show and get some new ideas to our work.
From Znastival, we brought some new experiments home. Come and see.
For example, ordinary aluminum foil and little glass balls can transfer to funny jumping beans.
Old plastic foil and some thread, you can create a little parachute. Hisza Eksperymentów. Wszystkiego najlepszego.
Keep doing what you do for the next 100 lat.